Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before you begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is tequila and cranberry juice. The tequila is called Espanol. I think that's how you say it. Espanol. I threw the bottle away. Forgot to Espanol. Anyways, with cranberry juice, it's very yummy. With Sprite, it's okay, but with cranberry juice, surprisingly good. With cranberry juice, it gives a nice refreshing like a real, you're on an island somewhere drinking. It's 100% pure agave. This video is not sponsored, but I did want to do a celebrity tequila video. Oh my gosh. All right, next straight on topic. Now so pause the video if you need to, grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. From the title of the video, you'll see that we are talking about how do you know if a girl likes you? How do you know that she likes you, person watching this, wondering, do you? When a woman likes you, she wants to know every single thing about you. First of all, she wants to know where you come from. She wants to know when you're born. She wants your birthday, your place of birth, your time of birth. Me, for example, I needed all those. If I really like you and I ask you these things, it's because I want to know how compatible we are, right? If I ask you these things, ask my husband. He has to call his mother and ask her what time he was born, okay? If I've asked you these things, it's because I want to see, like I said, how compatible we are astrologically. Yeah, astrologically. I said it right. Now, having your birth chart, Okay, boom. I lost my train of thought because I was going to go into a whole different thing. Now, when a girl likes you, if you're a Sagittarius and she's a Pisces, she's gonna be like Pisces and Sagittarius compatibility. Now, if she has your birthday, birth time, birthplace, all that information, she can now look at not just your sun sign, which is, we said Sagittarius. You can look at your moon, which is probably a Leo. She can look on your rising, which is probably Aquarius. Look at your Venus to see how you love. Look at your if she's doing all of these things, she really likes you. Okay, even if she doesn't believe in astrology, even if she don't believe in those things, in the back of her head she's like, oh my gosh, in born December, oh, I like December, man, some little things she's going to mention, not realizing, she's comparing the signs, right? If a girl likes you, she's going to be doing that. She's going to know when you're born, she's going to know your birthday and all them things there, right? Another way to know if she likes you, the relationship is not transactional. If the only time she link you is because she want money, or if right after you have sex you're asking for more money, or if it's always, oh babe buy me this, babe buy me that. Granted, I love when my man buys things for me. I love it. I love saying yes. My boyfriend, my husband, my man, my person, my partner got this for me and I love it so much. I prefer saying that over, yeah, I bought it myself. I mean, yeah, that's cool to say, but I love saying that he got it for me. So I am the type to send a picture and be like, hey, I like this, get it for me. Or, hey, what do you think about this? You want to get it for me? Or, hey, this one was my birthday. Or, hey, right? That's me. But I'm also, at the end of the day, it's not just that, right? If you're noticing that it's just that, where it's just stuff for her, you guys have intercourse and then she's expecting money on the nightstand, then she not really into you like that. Because women, believe it or not, like sex as well. And because men feel like women shouldn't, or that sex is just for the pleasure of man, women have said, okay, since you think this is for you and only you, give me money. Get it? Am I making sense? Yes. I hope I'm reaching the masses here. I hope the congregation is feeling me. Okay? If your relationship is solely transactional, she does not like you. And on the topic of money, women have money. Even when women don't have money, they have money. Okay? If she likes you and she knows your birthday is coming up, even if you've been dating for a month, she knows your birthday is coming up, she's going to either do something special for you or she's going to buy you something. Okay? Women spend on the people that they like. Alright? Don't get me started on love. If she likes you, she's going to be buying you things just because, oh, I saw this and I thought of you and I got it for you. Okay? Holidays, oh, I'm not into Valentine's Day. I don't care about birthdays. But she loves it and she decides to go out and gets you something because she likes you. Okay? And she's expecting you to like her back. And not saying she's using her money to get you or trap you or gifts to get you or trap you or whatever the case is, but it's low-key the same mindset that smart men have. Where they know, okay, girls like pretty shiny things, so I'm going to give her money, I'm going to buy her things. Because you know what, maybe not even smart men, but yeah, men, they feel like if they shower you with gifts and things and trinkets and thingamabobs, that you're going to fall even more in love with them. Now, regardless of you having money or not, because we have seen many a woman settle for lesser of a man, knowing, when we all know that she could get better, she deserves better, right? But because she likes this person, because she loves this person, I don't even want to talk about love, because she likes this person so much, she's willing to stay with this broke pocket. Why? Now, ladies, it's one thing to be with a broke pocket boy and the next thing to be with a mean man. You see, a broke pocket boy and a mean man, two different things, because a mean man can have money and still not get nothing, right? Not a flowers, not a ring, not a chain, not a bag, not a shoes, not a nothing, just because, you know? Men are like mean man, no mean man to my team, right? If you're there with a broke man, no, but he's not mean. A broke man, I gonna find a way. If a broke man care about you, if he cares about you, if he likes you, if he loves you, and I don't even want to talk about love, baby, but if he cares for you, he's going to make a way to make you happy. Even if it's not buying you things, he's treating you, doing special things for you. That's that man in your life. And if she's sticking with you through your broke boy days, and then you decide when you level up you don't want to deal with her again, you're a POS. Okay? Okay. And then this, ladies, oh my gosh, now I'm straying from the whole point of the video. Date men as you see them for face value. Men date women at face value. They don't look at potential. They don't say, okay, she could be better, so I'm going to be with her. No, they look at you and they're like, okay, she look nice, I could be with her. That's it, the end. Their expectations are there, right? Whatever you talk about in the text, whatever you say you're gonna do and that's their sole expectation, right? They're not looking for you're going to develop into this what's it, nuts it, unless he's grooming you to become that. Okay, men date within the here and now, and that's how women need to date as well, within the here and now. You see him as a broke pocket mean boy, and you still choose to be with him because you feel like you can change him. No. If he chooses to change on his own accord, kudos to you. Good for him as well, because he sees something in you, or he sees you, because like I said, he sees you as you are, and whatever it is that's in you that he sees, right, as you are, is what's making him want to spend on you and be with you and all these things. Now, going back to the topic of the video, because I was very long-winded. If the relationship is solely transactional, she does not like you. Okay? Okay. And it's not just a sex thing or a money thing. Like, if it's solely transactional, she does not like you. Okay? Okay. If she ignores you, this one, I know when my husband watches it, he's going to be so upset because I ignore him all the time. And babes, it's because I'm annoyed. Like, you say these little things and so, anyways. Drama. Anyways, no, but if she ignores you, like you send her like messages and she's not responding, or she's like not interested in conversation, and then hits you up randomly, she don't like you. She does not like you. Babes, move on. Like, find something else to do. Honestly. Truly. Listen to me. Oh my gosh. Case in point. If, let's say, a girl is blowing up my phone, she's messaging me, she wants to hook up, she wants to link up, and I'm not responding or not giving her the attention that she's craving, it's because I don't like her. If I'm not responding to your messages, I don't like you. Leave me alone. So if I'm the one pursuing a woman and she's not giving me the same energy, in my head, Lori, she doesn't like you. Leave her alone. Right? Makes sense, right? Because someone who likes you isn't going to leave you on red. Someone who likes you isn't going to have you in your head. Bars. Okay? Someone who likes you isn't going to let you have a wavering thought about what is happening between the two of you. If this person only hits you up when they want to release a nut, or if they want to just have fun, or yeah, they might like you, but it's not the way that you want them to like you. You know, it's another form of just being transactional. So this is for my bi girls, like lesbos, you know who you are. If she is not reciprocating the energy that you're putting out there, she doesn't like you like that, babes. Like, just move on and know your worth. Know that you deserve better. Okay? Okay. How do you know she likes you? I think I've covered enough. I don't know. I feel like this video is long enough. If you have any more, if you have anything else to add, if you have any tips about why she likes you or whatever, how to know if she likes you, leave it in the comment section below. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.